Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. It is 1 minute before market open. I am running the AutoRipper Pro Reloaded 3 contracts, 14 tick profit target. I'm starting a minute early just so you can see that I'm not cherry picking a trade in between open and from the time I post. So just for full transparency, sharing the server time, and then I'll take my trades after I see, uh, you know, when I'm ready. When I'm ready. So I don't start like right away, but I do wait at least a couple minutes and sometimes longer depending on what I see. So we'll see how it goes this morning. I like to shoot for 1,000 or so with the AutoRipper Pro, uh, but I may go a little bit more than that this morning. So we'll see. Uh, I have pretty much switched over to the Ripper X Black Edition because it can do what the AutoRipper Pro can do and then some. So I kind of have primarily moved to that bot. However, I know quite a few of you used the AutoRipper Pro Reloaded. I've been getting emails from people asking me to go ahead and post some trades with it and share settings and things like that. So I'll continue to trade it for you guys. Just know that when I'm trading, more contracts, I'll switch over to the X Black. So right now, market is open. Like I said, I just kind of take a peek at what's going on. You can see from open, it just made this big move to the top. I'm just kind of sitting tight. I'm not gonna jump in because direction can change real quickly, and I don't know. I'm not too convinced that we're going long, but you never know. We'll see. We'll see. Uh, I'm not too anxious to jump in, especially right here. I'm seeing this kind of back and forth action. It's kind of getting into a little range. So once it breaks that range, then I'll think about jumping in. But for now, I'm just gonna sit tight for a few minutes and just see where things are going. And then once I get to my goal, I'll go ahead and click off. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, so what I'll do is I'll click my mic on mute, and then when I'm anticipating a trade, then I'll jump in and provide some commentary. This is a move I normally like, actually, right here. If there's a move to the bottom and then one pullback and then it goes right back down, that would be a sweet trade. But that doesn't look to be the case for us. Looks like it's going right back up. Yeah, so like I said, this time of the morning, you're going to see a lot of up and down, pretty big ranges, as you can see here. These past two moves have been pretty big moves, but there's no entry for us. There's no entry for the bot to engage unless you jump in manually, which I'm not going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and just take auto trades this morning and kind of take it from there. So for now, I'll mute and I'll be back in a sec. Okay, guys, my bot is on, so we'll see if there's an opportunity for a little pullback here, and then we go long. So we'll see. Looks to be making a move to the top here. So let's see if we can maybe get some of this action right above these indicators here. All right. Well, the software took a trade, but it's taking a trade in the opposite direction. Opposite of the background color. So we'll see. We might. Okay, we're about. All right, so that was a small winner. So looks like, oops, sorry about that. I'm scrolling all over the place. Um, I gotta get this lined up perfectly. Here we go. So we took a small winner. The software took a trade in the opposite direction, and it, it was a good move. We got stopped out, but it actually traveled quite a bit of distance. So that would have been a nice winner had we been in it the whole way. But I'll take a couple $100. I'll take that. And then we got our first DRAM trade. We gave back a little bit of that profit. We gave back about $100, and I'll start moving my stop here. Oops, not fast enough. There we go. Shoot. Okay, so we lost about $35, but then we're in a trade right away, uh, and this is a nice trade. I'm gonna move my stop, and I gotta scroll. Every time I move my stop, I kind of tend to lose the screen. So sorry about that, folks. But yeah, this is a nice little winner. Uh, we took that DRAM, and it just ran, and that was pretty nice once we got into that last trade. So $400 so far, so good. I always tell people to shoot between 500 and 1,000 with the AutoRipper Pro Reloaded. That's a great daily goal. I tend to be a little bit more aggressive, but once you reach your profit target, go ahead and just call it a day and be done. So we seem to be making a move now to the bottom. So we'll see if we catch some trades going short. We're below the indicators. I like what I'm seeing. And just like that, look at that, totally opposite of what I'm thinking. It took a trade in the opposite direction. So now it's going long when the background is saying short. So we'll see where we end up. And it took a DRAM trade, but no worries though, because we got all of that back and then some. So that's just the way it goes sometimes. Sometimes the software will take a trade, not always win, but it has the protective mechanisms built in to keep us in the game. So we're still in up positive 750. This is a great daily goal for someone. So if you're here and this is your goal, you should stop. But my automation is on full auto, waiting for this profit target, and maybe we'll hit that. Let's see. I'm gonna move my stop down and just gonna see if we can get this one to ride a little bit. And we didn't. We got stopped out. So I think I'm just gonna continue to ride this going short. So I see, the background has just gotten wider. It's the purple background is it's getting wider. It's like right now I'm thinking short. I'm thinking that's where it's gonna go, but we'll see. And then once I get to my final profit where I'll stop, then I'll just turn off the video. Another short winner, so we might be getting into a range here. We'll see. But so far so good though. We're taking a profit even if it's a short range. With the 14 tick profit target, we've been able to capture some of that profit before it switches over to the opposite direction. So I'm just gonna let this ride. I know I'm kind of pushing it because this is gold right here, $1,000. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna keep going, and hopefully it doesn't come back to bite me. But let's do this. Let's see if we hit that first, and we did. We got the first profit target, and we got stopped out again. So we're getting some winners, but they're little. They're small winners, and because we're in this little tight range. So I'm still letting the software continue. We might be seeing another move here. Maybe. The moves have been big enough that I'm not turning off my software. There's enough range that I think there's enough momentum to keep things going. So I'm just going to let it ride and see where we end up. Okay. There's some hesitation here, so this might go against me, so we'll see. And we're about to hit that profit target, first profit target. Let's see if we get it. And we might not. We're so close. Come on. Hesitation. This is tough. All right, cool. So we did it. We got that first profit target, and we got our runner going. We'll see where. Let's see where we end up here. Okay, so I'm gonna start slowly moving my stop loss because I don't want to give back too much profit. Okay, so 14.55, pretty good. Oh, 13.50 after the bar closed. So I'm gonna take just one last trade, and then I'm gonna call it a day and see where I end up this morning. I'm hoping maybe like 1700, something like that, but we'll see if we get there. And we're at 1560, and I think that's gonna be it. So whatever the bar closes at, I'm gonna call it a day. Okay, that's it, folks. Where are we at? But whatever it is, whatever the bar closes, I'm out. Have a great day now. Bye.